Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah. So what I can say? What my name? Okay.
Where are you from?
Okay. So my name is Uji Handoko Eko Saputro. People know me as Hahan. So I born in Kebumen, Central Java, and I grew up in Magelang. In 2002, I moved to Jogja to study in art school. So, and my practice is actually a drawing. I made lot of drawing, but after the drawing, the idea will be following. The medium will be following the idea. Can be changed to be a painting based on my drawing, or sculpture, or installation, or maybe performance. So yeah, that's. Yeah, I'm original member of Ethos. Yeah. Aceh. What, you need Aceh introducing herself?
No, I'm not joking.
Yeah, please.
Hello, my name is Rudy Aceh. I'm born in Langsa, originally from Aceh, and then and I moved to Jogja, same like Ahan, 2002, study in ISI.
Praktekmu kalian apa?
My practice is I use paper as a medium and making paper cut. Yeah, and now I use with I use a letter lot like a
Wayang.
the medium to making wayang.
Oh yeah, letter.
Letter from letter.
Leather. Yeah, leather. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I have your nickname?
Rudy Aceh. Yeah.
Real name?
Well, here.
Nickname.
Yeah.
Are you a
What?
DJ?
DJ?
No. Yeah, I'm also musician. Yeah.
So he have several band. I have a band collaboration with Aceh too.
Yeah,
Name is
we have-
Pangkasila. Since 2005. The Pangkasila project is more like a band, but actually is a works, the artworks. So we make installation, we make a music, uniform, and perform in several places. Like the far place we perform in Havana, Cuba in 2006, right? During Havana Biennale.
2010.
10. Sorry, 2010. Yeah.
このこれって
2009
成り立ち
あいや
について
Oh, di sebelahnya.
ヒストリーについて
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you tell us the history of this house?
Okay. So since the project of Jogja Biennale, so we are actually winner of the competition. But I think this is fall if we are winner, because we like getting like snob, right? We are like just young collective, make a new work, and suddenly we are a winner of the competition. So it's not good for us, I guess, yeah. And several friends from our members say yes. So 2012 we're not doing anything because we are too tired to make that works. Until in the end of 2012, we got invitation to be an artist from Jakarta Biennale 2013
Hasan Kolektif.
as a collective. So yeah, Jakarta Biennale, we make several works again, and we try to playing with the meaning of museum. What's a museum look like, and what the museum meaning for us, because we look in Indonesia, we not get enough museum for me, or the museum is always made by powerful people. We try to be another side So we try to capture the phenomena in society in rural area about what they believe and what the culture, the new culture they have in the contemporary society.
一番大事な点はまあいいか。うんうん。
2013年にジャカルタビエナーレので、それはミュージアムが特にミュージアムのお金を
アートコレクティブの成り立ちは、
So we have a sample city in rural area, who's the city actually between the big city, two big city, Jogja and Jakarta, Jogja and Semarang. The name is Bandungan. So it's a typically small city between big city, right? So just for big trucks transfer to and have rest or something. Since 1990s, the karaoke machine is come from in that area. Karaoke machine. Yeah, karaoke machine come to Bandungan, and the karaoke machine is change the perspective of people around that, because they start to make the karaoke club. DIY karaoke club, small house, they change to be a karaoke club, and this is make new culture, I guess. Yeah, for the people there, and of course, gambling, prostitutes is happening, and for us this is actually a part of culture. Part culture of this country, right? But never going to up. It's always under gray, and people not look that. Or yeah, of course, government is always want to the beautiful of Indonesia or something like that. That we are finished the project, but suddenly we still have the small fund from production cost. We just thinking if this small money, if we give to 12 member at that time, 12 member, this is not good. So how if we rent some space to make the space as our works? So we look this space actually is not physically space just for hangout, but for us this is an artwork. This is like a living performance, living installation in this place, and of course friendship meeting because this space. So maybe in the future, if we thinking the space is not relevant again with the Z case, so we'll be close the space, and we will be back again to be like a collective without space. Yeah.
So this place opened in 2019.
No, 2014. The early 2014.
Using the money you got.
Yeah, for 2013. Yeah. So we renovation this by ourselves. We put roof by lighting by ourselves. So yeah, that's part of our works, I guess.
じゃあここに掃除しようってやって他に設置で、なんかこの今の関係性かな、何かが崩れるとしたらこう締める可能性もある。もともと拠点を持たないネットに可能性もある。
今アートコレクティブが世界的に注目されていますが、この状況をあなたはどう思いますか？
Nowadays, art collecting in Indonesia really attracted by the people, right?
Art, what's art?
Attractive, interactive.
Popular. Oh yeah, yeah.
Famous in the world because of, like, for example, Meta.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Japanese artists also really want to know what is the art collective in Indonesia. Yeah.
So-
how do you think the situation?
So the situation, if we say the art collective, actually, because the lack of infrastructure in Indonesia, the lack of infrastructure in the art in Indonesia, we don't have any art cultural, art central, and of is a good for work. If I know Art Central is, they have a program, have a grant for the artist to doing project or something. We don't have art central in Indonesia. Of course, the funding to build works for the artists is quite small in here. We always get the fund from foreigners, but it's hard for us. Of course, with our speech, yeah, we don't have any enough English, not beyond Google Translate, right? So if you are beyond Google Translate, so it's easy because if you have a term like did an artist, you need to speak in English, right? Yeah, so it's hard, and of course we don't have that. So if we don't have infrastructure, so we need to make the infrastructure by ourselves. And to holding hand together is more good than we work as individually.
By yourself.
By yourself. For the group, because yeah, we are a practice personally. We have individual works, but for something like infrastructure, so we need to holding our hand together to continue what we believe. Yeah, because we are actually not based from Yogyakarta. Yeah, you know, in a member of ASOS, I guess only 3% from Jogja. Yeah.
Originally from Jogja.
So, in the end of our study, we just have a question: did we need to stay in Jogja to make the works as an artist, or we back to our place and face the reality to working, I don't know, in the creative industry or something like that, or maybe still kept the artist but not in Jogja. But we believe we want to work in Yogyakarta as an artist. So I think good to share what we have, what we don't have together, because I believe the value of each personnel, they bring some different light. You have another jaringannya apa tuh? Jaringannya apa tuh?
Networking.
Networking. So you have another networking, I have another networking. I can doing something with sound, you can doing with visual. So it's a good to work together. And of course, the work, this place as House Collective, the physical space, actually just not for hanging the works for art, not just hanging the works for ourselves, but we made the space for another young artists who we are thinking they have future works for what they practice. So the space is sharing. So yeah, we're doing like that. We're doing a lot of that. So because we have space, of course, we need to more productive, right? Because you have space but you don't have any program, so that's not public space what we're thinking. So we need to make several programs. So we have several program, like the first program we have is like a Back to the Future. Back to the Future is actually we invite retrospective works from a member of S House, not new works but retrospective. So we like have a meeting and try to go to the studio and pick which the works who's representative for your practice until now. Because if you know our image, the painting or our work, our visual language now is getting commons. People say, oh yeah, commons, but actually during our time in 2004, 2005, that's not works, that's not artwork. So that's not go in the big contemporary art scene. This other side. So we need to give knowledge to young friends or young audience if we are already doing this is before and now this is getting common, yeah. So we need to know, oh, this is, you made this work now, this actually have long roots to be there. So that's the first project we do. The second, we have Three Musketeer project. Three Musketeer project. We calling 3M. 3M is like we are open applicant. This kind of residency for 3 young artists under 30, and will be stay in Yogyakarta in S House for 3 months. And each of the artists can pick 2 the artists from S House to be friends of conversation, thinking about the possibility about your works, more like that. Can like that, but we calling as friends, as friend. Mentor is so, yeah, you know, yeah, hierarchies. We don't want like that. We happy to be friends.
Yeah, for sharing, brainstorming,
and each of that artist too will be have one guest mentor who they want to work. So, oh, I really adore with senior artists. This name, okay, we try to accommodate. We need to communication with them. Oh, this is a young artist, very look your works and try to know about your work more. And can you give advice or something? So, yeah, kind of that. This 3 we met already 3 times, but every 2 years.
3
like the movie Three Musketeer. You know the movie about the 3 Musketeer. One for all for one.
You know, three like maybe 3 warrior or 3 knights, you know.
3 itu kan dia?
3 aja tulisnya.
3M.
You know,
Bapak sekarang seni-senian ya, distrik seni juga kayaknya.
Oh itu. Mana? 3 itu kan betul 3.
THREE.
Oh. T.
No, they moving. They move inside.
To see the
To
inside
see the
exhibition.
exhibition. Saya sini lu saya.
Mana saya? This is our another member for S House.
Yeah. He's the one, the original from Jogja. Ya.
Mana itu? Mas, makasih Mas. Sampai ketemu lagi Mas. Halo say. Kayak barengnya dong.
Makanya kalau mau terbang,
Kanan pada sana. Aku jadi bisa sini lagi biar enggak. Back to the Future.
pemain ya?
Ini loh, si Sunman.
Serius malam ini?
Nah, itu saat ini.
Gimana tuh kalau dulunya? Oh iya toh.
Aku baca juga.
Tunggu teman-teman sini. Sini ya?
Program. Okay. So the final result of Three Musketeer actually the applicant can have exhibition in this room. Yeah, and of course they will be bring at least 3 years in the future for what they got
The devil.
the develop for that work. At least 3 years next. Yeah, the 3 year next you already have idea what you want to do, what you want to make. Yeah. So, and this is not just for us. It's like take care every time, because this is not just after finish the project.
Like whole life,
Whole life
whole time.
we just take care,
mentoring.
because if you finish the project and you go and after this, yeah, okay, but no, sometimes I want to apply this resident, what you suggest for us, and
Yeah, like a
I want to consultation is it still happen until now.
when they want to apply for the grant, for the awards, for the residency, we always accompany.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. Yeah.
滞在する間に何回もやるんだけど、卒業時とか滞在期間が終わった後に何かするときは助成金を取るとか家を建てたいとか、そういうときはアカンパニーと一緒に伴奏することをしている。
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's 3M. So after that, we have a project named
Back to the future.
wait, sudah S-Mart. S-Mart.
Sorry.
It's okay.
It's like convenience store, you know. Like a convenience store,
Pop-up
mart.
convenience store.
Pop-up mart.
Yeah. So because it's starting with what happened during weeks like Arjok happened, right? Everybody like have lot of exhibition, project, and everyone like one days like you have like morning tea with the collector in these galleries, afternoon lunch in these galleries. All exhibition happen and very hype. But suddenly for us is the question: how about the local person who living around us? Did have celebration of that or not? So, and we have another question again. So because we have the space, actually this is a public space, right? People can come, can have a conversation about art or conversation about daily happen today or see the works or something like that. And if you see, in the front for us is like a street vendor of food, yeah.
Yeah.
Every night during 2015, it's a lot football supporter hang out in here, eat here or something like a online driver for Gojek motorcycle is hang out in here, and several before they have like a craft studio, they hang out in here, workshop for craft. But if we have exhibition, we always we have exhibition inside there, please just join to see. Oh, I'm sorry, I don't really know about the art. So they don't want, yeah.
Yeah, they will say I'm a common
Yeah.
people. I don't know anything about
But
art.
art.
So that statement make us questioning about how does the role of art space. Sorry, what does the role of art space as a public space, as an artist that we want to present ourselves to the public, but then there is a social class issue. I mean, of course, then art is always associated with specific or segmented social class. Yeah. So during that time, we thought to imitate the convenience store, so it makes people more
Easy.
comfortable
to come, yeah.
and
Because if you go into the convenience store, right? So everyone can be a queen or queen, because we can become queen or king. Yeah, because you come and welcome. You can see what you are. Yeah.
I think the convenience store is popular and everyone come. Whether you come from the high society or low society, they can access the space. So we imitate our gallery become a convenience store. Yeah, so we install the artworks with a convenient rack shelf
Yeah.
and daily needs.
And also all together with daily needs. So like instant noodles, sugar, coffee, tea,
And you can find
toothpaste.
painting, yeah.
Yeah. At the same time, when you when you found the artworks, it also at the same time you will meet the soap, ketchup, tea, coffee, sugar, instant noodles. Yeah,
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 inside
yeah,
here.
Can I translate?
Yeah, please, please, please.
yeah, yeah.
エースマンプロジェクトっていうのはアートっていうのが一番ですね。業界としてすごいいっぱいフェスティバルがあるけど、ローカルの人にとってはどうなんだ
kasih
ろう。
lihat YouTube aja.
Nanti nanti,
Iya.
nanti linknya tadi
す
aja.
る人はギャラリーに行ってご飯食べてギャラリー行ってみたいな感じだけど、ここに住んでる人たちにとってのアートは何なのかというのをでその時にこのこうワルンとかがあってそこはこうみんなプロジェクトの人とかローカルの人が集まって食べて帰ってくるけどじゃあ今ギャラリーやってるよ展示やってるよどうですかって言うとやっぱ敷居が高いから誰も入ってこないで彼らはどうコンビニエンスとは
Ini intro ya orang yang tadi kayak
配送される
intro 25
みんな行く場所じゃない誰でも行ける場所がコンビニエンスとじゃあここをコンビニエンスストアとして展示と
Berapa nih? Aku itu kan orang itu.
インドミーこそ
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, instant
Cigarette, instant noodle, Indomie.
Yeah.
You can find here, and it works.
Yeah.
インドミーとケチャップとかなんかそういう日用品をここに
Sanggup lah tuh
で
San.
どんな人
Wah
が
sanggup lah.
足を運んでもらえるようなプロジェクトにしたのがエースマン
Yeah,
Yeah.
because as an artist, of course, when you made the artwork, you want to present it or you want to show it for everyone. I mean, like not only in specific audience, but then the space, the art space, is always associated with academics or with a very or collector, let's say, or the one who are the one who have a art background. So we want to break this cap, so then everyone can appreciate the works. That's you don't have any limited social. I mean, like you don't have any assumption that you are not let's say allowed to come to this specific space, let's say.
アートはアートっていうとすごいアートに似ていらっしゃる人が学者とかアカデミックな人たちが来るっていう壁があるけど私たちはその壁を壊したからまあアートをあんまり知らない人たちを聞く人たちにとってもアートが身近になるようにしたかった。
Yeah. So and also during that time on 2015 there are another context during that time since so in Yogyakarta there is a art job you know right the art fair and during the art fair during that time the art job they have a specific theme about fluxus.
Yeah, Fluxus,
Fluxus, the art movement. Yeah, the art movement. And for us, it's quite problematic since, as far as we learn in the art school, or as we know, the Fluxus is part of the art movement. But when it goes to the art fair, then it's what does the message like it's
It's just commodification.
It's just commodification.
Of the movement or
the
something.
movement, yeah, it's mereduksi apa?
Redux
Redundant,
the
yeah.
spirit of the
Yeah,
Fluxus.
redundant and reducting the spirit, the message of the art movement.
Yeah.
So we present the S-Mart open for 24 hour,
in the 1 month. So we open 24 hour in a 1 month.
just like as usual convenience store.
in
And all of the artists who participate in the project become the helper, become the staff of the convenience store, become the cashier, and also the seller. So we play role as common staff in convenience store. And the 24 hours works is also for us is also questioning ourselves or represent ourselves as an artist, that as an artist you don't have any other roles since we work for 24 hours. You only take a break while you sleep. Yeah. So I mean, like when you work as a 9 to 5 day job employee, you will play your role as the employee for 9 to 5. After that, you become a parents, you become other role. But as an artist, it's part of our daily life. I mean, when you woke up in the morning until you sleep in a day or in a night, you will play role as an artist. So, and it's also there are no like when we work as the staff in convenience store, our role is become the host of the space. It's also as an artist when you meet somebody, when you meet let's say curator or as an artist mate, you will talk about your artworks. Yeah.
or in casual conversation. Actually, we cannot refuse us talking about the art. So it's our that's the meaning what for us is 24 hour.
Yeah, and from that we also have a quote: "Art needs some rest."
Art needs some rest. Like this one. This is in Indonesia. Seni juga butuh istirahat.
Sure. Oh.
In English, if we
Artist
transfer,
also need rest.
art needs some rest. Because in the 1 week we open, everyone in here getting sick.
Tired.
20
Sebutnya ya ini jatuh dari sini.
Inilah tuh.
Oh,
Nang gini.
Apa tuh?
semut.
Aku conduct other meeting ya.
Ya. Yang terus dewe.
Ya.
Kita pamit sih. Cek pertanyaan. Ya, ya, ya.
Oke. Yes.
Yes, please.
じゃあ彼女のアートコレクティブが非常に注目されていますが、この状況をどう思いますか？
Now, many people
Yeah.
look at the art collective
Yeah.
in Indonesia.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe in different from before.
Yeah. Yeah.
How do you think this situation?
Okay, so I guess a collective works in Indonesia been for long years before. I mean, during that time, I mean, like working in a group, it's very common and very typical in Indonesia. So before the Revolution era or until the Reformation era, until nowadays, I think working together is part of our nature. Yeah, but then before, like during the time, a group of artists is always called with paguyuban or sanggar, which in English terms can be community.
Yeah, community
Or association.
association.
Yes. But nowadays, the term of the collective is become a new currency in the art world,
Yeah.
we can say. So actually, the practice of the collective works is already live or already happened during a long time ago. But specifically in art worlds, the term of collective artists become a new currency, become a new, like it can be nowadays it more I can say institutionalized. Yes.
It means you had the culture or kind of
Yeah.
Yeah.
Working together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
working together for
Yeah.
Indonesian people, but nowadays suddenly the people
Yes.
outside
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
look at the
Yeah.
collective
Yeah.
Yeah.
that make you kind of
Yeah.
what
To yeah.
make it popular or maybe it
Can say like that.
as if like it's new.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
To follow that
Yeah.
kind of story or something.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
私たちにとってはアートコレクティブって今言われているものはその不滅感とかスカルトの独裁政権とかその政治的な動乱の前からも普通だったものを一緒にグループを組んで一緒に働くというのが普通だったが今度近年になってインドネシアの外の人たちが急にこれがニュー新しいストラクチャーみたいな感じで中国を知らせてたんだと思う。
I think there is a end count here. So okay, so because sorry, I think maybe we can move because there is a end countdown. But just to finish about the collective, yeah, that's why we always itchy.
Yeah.
So yeah, I guess why Indonesian people or Indonesian artist group is quite familiar here, since we haven't. I mean, our infrastructure in the art haven't been stable, I can say, because as you may check that we don't have any institution scale as a museum, let's say. In
National.
Indonesia, national
For art.
yeah, contemporary or museum, like the one that we have as a museum is mostly a private museum, or it can be like a gallery. It just start now since the Jokowi era that they start to build the infrastructure of the arts. So working collective or working together is the way we build the infrastructure of art and the ecosystem. Okay.
ジョコビ大統領の前はインフラストラクチャーがミュージアムからそれを支えている今ちょっとずつプライベートミュージアムがなってきて
So it's because the government doesn't really take care of the arts. So ourselves as an artist, I mean, like from our older generation or the senior generation, they start to build the infrastructure. So can say that since a long time ago, artists built their own ecosystem rather than government support. Yeah.
私たちがシステムを作ってきたところに最近になってガバメントも入るからストラクチャーになったんだけど ど、やっぱアートコレクティブ自体は新しいわけじゃないっていう
そろそろ時間ですかね。いやー、テリナトシー、
Okay.
Sama-sama.
たくさん聞きたいことがあるんですが、ちょっと時間がなくなってしまいました。
Thank you so much. He still have questions
Okay.
he wants to ask, but I am so sorry. We have to go.
Very limited time. Yes.